Well, this is Visit Mema, the nosy reader. I've got another one. Now, you know we read last month one of the, this is Visit Mema, the nosy reader, and this is the Joanne Fluke book. And, of course, it's a Hannah Swensen holiday mystery. And the name of it is The Christmas Caramel Murder. Well, I already cheated and looked at the recipes, and I already picked me out a favorite. It's called Red Raspberry Muffins. Oh my gosh, it sounds good. Okay, the holidays had arrived, and Hannah and her good pal Lisa have agreed to provide all the goodies for the town's annual production of A Christmas Carol. But soon a Santa-sized sack full of trouble ensues, like the fact that Lisa's husband will be playing Mr. Claus to his ex-girlfriend, Phyllis Bates, the Mrs. Claus. Or that before the curtain even goes up, Phyllis is found dead in the snow, wearing a costume that the real Miss Claus would put on the naughty list. Soon after, the suspects pile up faster than snowdrifts in a blizzard, while a merry murderer remains on the loose. We search into this book to find out what's going on. This is large print. And again, this one's Joanne Fluke's books, and this is an older book. It's from 2016. That, of course, it's got recipes in it that I love. But anyway, again, the Layman Library brought this book to me to read, and by golly, I read it. And I think you would enjoy it. And have a good day. Seems like every time they want to have a Christmas program, something happens. Well, here you go. Remember, God has you in His hands. Pray for Mother Earth. And remember, keep a smile on your face, because you are special.